How to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Hi guys, so in this video, I will teach you how to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram app. And then as you can see, if we search someone, there's some suggestions. So what we need to do is to just click on our profile icon right here. And then from in there, click on the three lines. Click on the settings and privacy right here, and then from in there you can just search for search history. So search for search history, and you can see that this is that. So just click on that and it will proceed to this page. So you can just click on this clear all searches, then click on this all time and click on clear all searches, and it will clear all the searches that you have, and any suggestions won't be able to pop up anymore. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.